Okay, we are going to begin a new project. Now, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be building this EDM. So an EDM stands for electronic direct mail, the sort of things that appear in your spam folder, usually in your emails. But very much an important part of promotion and selling. So what will happen is in this EDM, we'll be building this so that it is interactive, that menu elements will go to pages. We'll be able to create this so that when we look at it, we'll be able to create this prototype, and it will allow us to sort of scroll down. So the first stage of this project is actually going to be building this first page. So at the moment there's no interactivity in the sense that the menu elements don't go anywhere. We'll be doing that in future tutorials. So to begin with, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be building this in a program called Figma. Okay, and so Figma is very much what's called a prototype program, and it is set up and runs purely on your web browser. So very, very helpful and easy in terms of sharing content and viewing the elements that you create or viewing what you create on screen. So we'll be doing all of this. So to begin with, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing what's called a wireframe. And so what we'll be doing here is we'll be in Figma, we'll be creating a series of rectangular elements, and this will have the various content put into it. So there'll be images in various ones, there'll be colors, there'll be text overlaid, icons, everything will come together. So very much an important part of the design process is to begin with creating what we call the foundation for this. So as I said, when we look at this reference file that you've been provided with, all of the information is there for you, and so you're going to recreate this. So we'll be building a set of colors and using what we call hex codes. So these are the 6-character codes for each color, and these have been specified for you. There'll be typefaces that you use. Now, I will say that some of these typefaces will probably not exist in your Figma, so we'll be using some similar ones because Figma uses Google fonts, not necessarily the fonts that you have installed on your computer. So let's just make a start, and looking at all of this frame, the whole thing, the artboard is going to be 1280 by 3650 pixels in dimension. So 1280 is about the width of your average small laptop. So we'll be building this for a small laptop computer with this horizontal rectangular format. And so as I said, if we just have a look at this, this is how we will be viewing this prototype. Okay, so let's make a start.